I might get canceled for saying this, but I'm gonna say it anyway. I'm seeing a lot of content creators sa freelancing industry na sinasabing, i-master mo to, kailangan magaling ka dito. I've been in the industry for 17 years. I would say you don't need mastery today. You need familiarity and confidence. Oo, tama. Hindi ka pa expert, okay lang. Lahat naman nagsisimula sa wala. But as an aspiring virtual assistant, madalas kasi makikita mo, kailangan marunong ka sa CRM, follow-up boss, Podio, dito mo tinatrack yung leads ng clients, kailangan familiar ka, ganyan. I think it's more important for you to know the proper procedure, standard operating procedure ng client mo and yung paano ba mag-follow-ups, ano yung process nila, because different clients have different requirements. Sometimes I would see people saying, kailangan magaling ka sa Google Workspace, docs, sheets, slides. Basic pero lifesaver yon, yes. But you have to focus on being organized. Kailangan marunong ka mag-share, mag-update, done. You start somewhere. Halimbawa, as a real estate virtual assistant, sasabihin nila, kailangan marunong ka sa dialers. Kung appointment setting ang position mo, magagamit mo yon. Kailangan familiar ka kasi mas mabilis kang makaka-connect sa clients. Pero mas importante na marunong kang makipag-communicate in such a way that you are able to get their trust. So minsan sa inflation lang ng boses, minsan the way that you express yung iyong script, kung paano mo basahin yung script. I also saw someone saying project management tools, Trello, Asana, ClickUp. Dito, mas makikita yung task and deadlines ng team. Okay kung marunong ka, pero mas maganda, alam mo ano yung reason behind the project management tools. Kasi, remember, traffic enforcer din po ang trabaho natin as VA. Opo, project management tools will give you an overview of kailan mag-stop, kailan yung yellow, at kailan yung green. Alam mo ba kung bakit importante to? Kasi, kahit basic lang, mas mataas yung chance mo na ma-hire ka kasi nandun yung core skills. Hindi na lang nakafocus sa tools. Mas mabilis kang makaka-adapt, mas confident ka, at mas credible ka pagdating sa clients. So start with familiarity. Confidence follows. Mastery comes later. Guys, step by step lang. I mean, focus ka muna sa maramdaman mo na kaya mo, familiar ka. And then eventually you'd be confident, and then eventually masasabi mo na kahit tulog ako, kaya kong gawin yan. Ganon. Anyway, I did mention CRM, Google Workspace, dialers, project management. These are just some of the tools na ginagamit ng Real Estate Virtual Assistant. If you guys want to learn how to use these nung may kasamang internship, so mapapractice nyo talaga kung paano siyang gamitin, mag-join kayo sa Real Estate Virtual Assistant class namin. 999 pesos lang yan. May kasama pang internship. To join, just click the link in my bio. Pagkatapos, i-click nyo yung Real Estate Virtual Assistant or mag-comment kayo dyan ng Reva and we'll send you over the link. I hope this provides a little more clarity. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Fall from or work from home chismis. Bye!